Hello everybody, this is a Hot Wheels 2022 K-Case unboxing. It has been kind of fun. I think I've mentioned it in every one of these unboxings that I got 6 cases from Mattel today. I won't even tell you what day it is because I might be showing this 3 weeks from now, 4 weeks from now. I have no idea, but this case just came. It came from the distribution center, which means the K-Case is inevitably going to come out very, very soon. I opened a couple of Zammat cases. Those may come after this, but anyway, kind of fun. Let's just get this K-Case opened up and see what is inside. The Zammat cases, I actually opened up an L case. That will come after this. So what's kind of funny is I'm moving backwards in time. It won't be how I do these videos, but some of the cars that I hadn't opened an L case before, and I ended up opening an L before a K. And so some of the models that I were like, ooh, these are highlights, might be in this K case, and I just thought they were in the L case. So I'm going to learn something as well today. We've had the J case that's been out just recently. And then we have the, these are going to be some repeats from the J case. No I case because it looks like the number 1. And let's just see what we find inside. This is going to have some really, really cool stuff. What we want to look for, I believe, in this is the JDM Legends Skyline. I think if we find one that's Spectre Flame, that will be the super treasure hunt. Let's see what we find. I loved this Bugatti from the last case, from the J case, and there is a repeat of that. That's a fantastic casting. Love that color with the wheels. Rasian Express in gold jumps into this K case, and there's the Dodge Dart, which we've already seen. Batmobile, kind of a recolor, I guess, from the recent movie. There is the MST Suzuka and the bus. We've already seen that one. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This is a repeat from the last case. That is a fantastic model. The more the merrier on that one. Classic TV series Batmobile and the Count Muscula. Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. In the last case, this was the Super. I think by this time I've posted this and you've seen that this was the Super when I pulled it from the J case, so that's lucky. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk, and then the Rocket Box. All right, here is our first highlight for the K cases, the Porsche 911 GT3. We did a sneak peek of this one. They sent it to us. The Dream Team did. The design team, we did this one. Now we get to see it carded. It looks fantastic. In blue, it's got the headlights. That's part of the window piece, so that will always look good. It's got the tail lights, which is fantastic. That is a highlight. There's a recolor of the Glory Chaser. 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback. That is also a highlight because this casting has been around forever, but I don't think it's ever looked that stock in that cool green color. 06 Pontiac GTO. This debuted last year. Brendan Vituski's car. GT Scorcher and the Mod Rod. We've seen that one. We have also seen all 3 of these. Recolor of the Toyota Tacoma, recolor of the Coupe Clip, and the fantastic 86 Toyota van. Major highlights there. We've seen all of these. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTR. Fast Fish recolor of the Pontiac Firebird. So we've only pulled out the Porsche so far, and it looks like we're getting another one. Another Liberty Walk, another Batmobile, and another Porsche. Okay, these are, let's see, I think the Skull Chaser. Let's see if we can pull that one. Well, the way we did, that's the Armadillo from Buzz Lightyear. I mean, I guess I could say that's a highlight, but it's not what we, these aren't Lamley real vehicles. Skull Crusher, or Skull Shaker, sorry, and then the GT Scorcher. So here's the Armadillo if you want to look at it. Haven't seen the movie, have no reference for it. Unless it was in Toy Story. I think I saw those with my daughters. But there's that new Buzz Lightyear movie. Okay, another Bugatti, that's good. There's another Armadillo. Ooh! Look at that. 87 Dodge D100. Oh, and it's the treasure hunt. I was just admiring it, how cool it was. And now it's the regular treasure hunt. That is awesome. Great casting. Brendan Vituski did it. Yeah, nice highlight. Boy, a lot of J case repeats in this first half. So let's hope that we're going to see some K. I mean, we've already seen some good stuff in the J case, right? Or in the K case, but more J case repeats. All right. Let's get going through here. Another J-Case model, the Turbine Sublime. There's the Corvette. Corvette C8R. That looks nice. That's a highlight. Ooh, cracked blister, so it'll be easy to open. Batmobile. LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. We've seen that one. There it is. That's the Nissan Skyline. HC 2000 GTX, otherwise known as the Hakoska, in that really cool teal color. MC5 wheels, nice and clean. That stripe's a little messed up on that one. And the JDML means JDM Legends. We've seen that in a few different cars. Very, very cool. There's your Super Treasure Hunt. So if it looks like that with the real riders and a TH there, also with the JDM Legends and those fantastic kind of dark chrome Watanabe rims, then you've got yourself a Super, and it's a great Super. But it's also a great regular as well. So there is that. That is definitely a highlight. Let's keep going. We're going to be doing more on this model shortly. I got a fun video for you. Kick Kart 69 Copo Camaro. That looks fantastic in that nice clean stock version. And there is the 2000 Toyota Tacoma. 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Already seen that one. Ooh, McLaren F1 in orange. There's a recolor. It was in black. Now we see it in orange. That is nice. Definitely like that one. Definitely think that is a highlight. Head gasket again. And then here's the Hot Wheels kit concept. So maybe this is something that like the Hot Wheels team came up with to like recreate kit for now. Kind of has a Lamborghini, almost a Vector vibe to it. I wonder if they took files off the Vector and kind of that one and done Vector from Boulevard that they never did. It almost feels like they used that. I'm going to have to see if they did. They may not admit it, but who knows. 40 Ford Coupe. How about this? LB Super. Well, let's get to it. There's the MST Suzuka. LB Super Silhouette Nissan Sylvia. The S15 recolored in yellow, reversed, right? It was white with yellow stripes. Now it is yellow with white stripes. Boy, it is the year of Liberty Walk, isn't it? I mean, I think there's a good chance that that premium chase, I think I've got it right there, is going to be a strong contender for model of the year. And among all the other crazy stuff, 85 Mazda RX-7, we've seen that one. Audi Sport Quattro in yellow. That's fantastic. Love this casting. We're going to see a premium version in the Target 2-pack. We get this beautiful basic version, which looks great. Love the Michelin livery on that. And then the classic TV series Batmobile, we've seen that already. Bricking Speed. Okay, Aston Martin V12 Speeder. Haven't seen that one recolored. Well, he did. GameStop, it was recolored. Now we have it in white. And there is the Velociracer. Another kit. Cosmic Coupe. In the Hyper Rocker. That Super Treasure Hunt's fantastic, isn't it? Devencinator, Kick Cart, and the Wheelie Chair. We've seen the Honda Super Cub. There is the Ford Mustang GT Concept in a Track Patrol livery. I think that's new on the front. I don't think that was on that car before. And then the Liberty Walks Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, which we have seen as well. All right, we're seeing a lot of repeats in this one, right? Twin Mill, I think that's new for this case. Automobile Pininfarina Battista Automobili, that's from the last case. So is the Fast Gassin'. And to finish off, some repeats as well. So kind of a strange case. I mean, some really cool highlights, but not a lot of those, and a ton of J-Case repeats, right? And we just see all those also from the J-Case. So K-Case, your major highlights here, and there's some good ones. That's an okay one. But these two are great ones, these two yellow beauties. Kit's kind of cool. Love the McLaren in orange. This is, I think, maybe the major highlight because I love that Hakoska casting. And, of course, the Super Treasure Hunt is tremendous. Corvette's cool. Great regular treasure hunt as well. And then I think maybe of the new models, that Porsche's maybe your winner there. And the Mustang's cool too. You guys tell me what you think. That is the K case. So tons of unboxings from us. I think this, and you've got a couple more after this. Thanks, everybody. Bye.